Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to allow specific contacts to see your profile photo on Telegram web on your PC. This new update makes it easier to control who can view your profile picture, giving you more privacy and flexibility. So let's get started. First, open Telegram web on your PC and log into your account. Once you're in, look to the top left corner of your screen and click on the three horizontal lines. This will open up your main menu. From the menu, select Settings and then go to Privacy and Security. This section allows you to manage all your privacy preferences, including who can see your information and activity. Next, find the option that says Who can see your profile photo and click on it. You'll see a few choices here: Everybody, My Contacts, and Nobody. For this method, choose My Contacts. This setting ensures that only people saved in your contact list can view your photo, but you'll also be able to pick exceptions. Now click on Always Allow. This option lets you select specific contacts who can always see your profile picture, even if others in your contact list cannot. After clicking, you'll see your list of contacts appear. Take a moment to choose the users you want to allow. You can select one person or several, depending on your preferences. Once you've made your selection, confirm the step to save your settings. That's it. You've successfully allowed specific contacts to see your Telegram profile photo using Telegram web on your PC. With this new update, you can keep your privacy secure while still letting certain friends or family members recognize your profile easily. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this one.